Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we are going to start for the lecture number 20. That is from chapter number 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. And the topic that we are going to discuss, it is the Avogadro's number. So what does mean by Avogadro's number? Avogadro's number, it is the collection of 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. So this is the number of particles. For example, it is denoted as Na. Na, it is stands for Avogadro's number. Hence, 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 number of atoms, molecules, or the formula unit is called the Avogadro's number. So, Avogadro's value can be written as 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, and these may be atoms, ions, molecules, or they may be formula unit. So this is the Avogadro's number. You all guys must know its value, that is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23, and it is denoted by the symbol that is Na. So next we have some explanation about the Avogadro's number. The relationship between Avogadro's number and a mole. What is the relationship between Avogadro's number and mole? In simple words, 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles are equal to 1 mole, as 12 eggs are equal to 1 dozen. So we will take simple examples, like if we are talking about 1 dozen of eggs. 1 dozen of eggs, it is equal to 12 eggs. Likewise, if we are talking about 1 mole of any substance, it is going to have 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. And particles mean it may contain atoms, ions, or the molecules. So, in simple words, the relationship between an Avogadro's number and mole is given by the number 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. If we have 1 mole of any substance, it means it is having 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 particles. Like 1 dozen of eggs is having 12 eggs. So next we have the relationship between the Avogadro's and mole. If we are having 6.02 in 10 raised to power 23 atoms of carbon, it is equivalent to 1 mole of carbon. And if we have 1 mole of water, it means it is having 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of water. And if we are talking about 1 mole of sodium chloride, then it is having 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 formula units. Means if we have 1 mole carbon atoms, now it is having how many atoms? 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. And if we are talking about 1 mole of water molecules, then it is having 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of water. And if we are talking about 1 mole of sodium chloride, then it is having 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 formula units in it. So this is the simple relationship between Avogadro's and a mole. Next, Avogadro's and mole. The 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of elements, or 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of the molecular substance, or the 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 formula units of ionic compounds are equivalent to 1 mole. We can also explain it with the help of examples. If we have 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms of any substance. For example, we have, you can see that hydrogen atoms, or we have carbon atoms. It is having 6.02 into 10 raised power 23 atoms. It's mean its mass is 1 mole. This is the first. Second, molecular substance. Molecular substance means it is having molecules. For example, we have carbon dioxide molecules, and molecules are 6.02 into 10 raised power 23. So it's mean it is equal to 1 mole. And for ionic compounds, for example, we have potassium chloride, and total formula units present in the potassium chloride is 6.02 into 10 raised power 23. In turn, it is equal to 1 mole of the substance. So this is the simple relationship between the mole and the Avogadro's number. We can also take other examples like potassium bromide, potassium fluoride, and etc. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day. So this we have done with our today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.